Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll learn how to calculate the debt-to-equity ratio in Excel. The debt-to-equity ratio is a measure of a company's financial leverage. It shows the proportion of debt used to finance the company's assets relative to the shareholders' equity. Let's walk through an example. Assume we have a company with total debt of 500,000 euros and total equity of 250,000 euros. We need to divide these two numbers to get debt-to-equity ratio. Press Enter, and Excel will return 2. This means that for every euro of equity, the company has 2 euros in debt. This indicates a relatively high level of debt compared to equity, suggesting higher financial leverage and potentially higher risk. A higher ratio indicates higher financial risk, as the company relies more on borrowed funds. A lower ratio indicates a stronger financial position with less reliance on debt. And that's how you calculate the debt-to-equity ratio in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.